Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got our little trailer made there. So then we decided we are going to rip to the Radium car show and test this baby out. But anyways, so here we are. I didn't really film leaving home because it was a late night and all that kind of schmozzle. But here we are. I let the old stroker eat today, and wouldn't you know it, that trailer it just followed me. So I'll just show you guys what we got kind of set up here before we move on to, we'll go down to the street tonight. They do a bunch of burnouts and stuff like that tonight. But anyways, so here's the little trailer in action in all its glory. Little tent on there. Oh, we went ahead and built a little box to pack our, a little coffin. We built a little coffin to pack our tent and our bedding, the bedding and stuff, and bags and stuff. So anyways, there we are. It's kind of a neat little combo. Probably going to be kind of fun ripping around in this stuff. But anyways, so I think we're going to go downtown and have a little bite to eat and watch some burnouts and stuff. I don't think I'm going to do a bunch of burnouts with this poor old truck. We just drove it 7 hours to get here, and $500 a tire, and I got to make it home. And I do feel like when I get home, I'm going to have to do a little tune-up on it. I do feel like it's got a little bit of a sometimes, maybe some spark plugs and stuff. So when we get home, we'll give the old girl a tune-up. It's been a while since I tune this old truck up. So like I said, I'm not going to hot rod her too hard tonight because we got a 7-hour drive home. So I remember we were here last year and they were doing burnouts till 2 in the morning. So I think it's about 6 now. So that's a lot of burning out to do yet. So see you guys in a bit. All right, everyone, we're in line here to get into the car show. You can see lined up at the mill there, just cars for days. And on the way down here, we noticed every road leading into this road was full of cars as well. So I don't know, we're going to be a while getting in here, but this is cool too. When we drove down here, you just get to see them. It's like drive by, right? It's cool. They're still rolling down. They're still coming down to get to the end of the line. Nice little Cadillac. That's a beauty there. We're gonna move. We're gonna move a couple spots, looks like. Yeah, it's all good. It's fun. It's the whole atmosphere of this kind of thing is fun. Like you said, you gotta wait and stuff, but it's all good. All right, everyone, we're still moving. It's probably been 30, 45 minutes, something like that, but we're just same road, just on a different street. They're still coming up behind here. So I think up by the barricades up there, if you guys can see that. But anyways, we're making it. This, like I said, this is part of the fun of it, I think. So we'll just keep on rolling. All right, everyone, we made it in here. We're getting to our spots. You can see vendors upon vendors and the little band going on. I think they said last year there's 1,000 cars or something. So already I can tell it seems like maybe there's more. So I'll have to get a churro or something later. All right, so because I have my little trailer, they got to decide where they want to stick this truck because it's off. It's obviously pretty low as well. So the way this is their driving range is what it is. and they try to. This will be full by the time they're done here. It's you can tell it's dang near full already. But anyways, so here I am. I'm just sitting waiting till they can find a spot that can put me with my little trailer. So we'll see. Hopefully they don't forget about us. I mean, they can't, because once the cars get here, they got to make a decision, right? All right, everyone, we got all settled in here, got our little deal set up here. We're beside this sweet old bug here. I'll show you guys that quick. Pretty cool unit. They camp in the woods. But yeah, this thing, he was behind us on the road in, all full of bullet holes. This thing is real cool. I like that. It's a little trucky version. I don't know much about the bugs, but I know that one's cool. Anyways, so we're all settled in here, got our number. We're gonna cruise around and look at some stuff now. We seen this old bike coming in here, just had to stop and take a picture of it. That baby is sweet. That thing is patina to perfection. Yeah, we saw it coming in, had to get a shot of that. That's cool. So I tend to gravitate towards particular trucks that I like. Of the trucks that I even maybe had or have. But so then that's what I kind of, when I pull into a show or something, that's what really catches my eye is stuff that I've gravitated towards already. But this baby here, she's a real beaut. This one, this baby is shiny, a little shinier than stuff I can kind of do, I think. But this baby is gorgeous. All right, this one caught my eye. The old car is nice, real nice. It's cool. But this, look at this. This is awesome. I'm not even really a horse guy, but this is a great idea. I love that. Don't think I've seen a horse trailer at a car show before. There's the horses I'm talking about. This is a sweet old wagon. I don't even know what it is. It says Daytona, but it's a sweet old patina wagon. Oh, here it's a Studebaker. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. I like that a lot. Hi, Bootsy Boots. Hello, buddy. All right, you guys tell me. Do you think this car would be? You think this car would be fast? Look how little it is. It's as wide as the engine. I imagine that car would be a handful. You'd have to hang on and grit your teeth. This one's a GMC, but it's the 4x4 version. That's pretty cool. That's a nice truck. Probably on a new chassis and everything. You can see there, new chassis and stuff. So probably drives like a dream. It don't hardly get no more retro than this baby here. Look at that. That retro paint scheme. I think they're actually probably decals or something, but that's cool. All right, so we got a sweet old welding truck here. I know for a fact this is a working welding truck, because the guy who owns that Pontiac, this is his car actually that I've been kind of working on it for him a bit. Kind of a friend of mine. So yeah, this is his old welding truck. Here's a real gem. It looks like it's on a new chassis too. And I just kind of look quick. Yeah, that's real nice. He got the Duramax in there. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice old truck. Jenkins and Jones log. Yeah, it's a beauty. Another nice old patinaed 60s Chevy here. These trucks are getting more and more popular. I always did like them. I had an old GMC when I was just a little kid, all stock that I drove, 3 on the tree, and I drove that old truck around. But yeah, so I was always partial to these. But you're sure starting to see them more and more and more. Got the old Coke cooler in the back. Yeah, it's real nice. They got a nice interior too, real good. A little something I noticed too. Well, Barbie noticed it right away, but I've never seen this before. This is real cool. It appears they took the old barn board floor, the old rotten one, and they resined it. So there's portions you can see through, and they got the flip up to get to their tank and stuff. But boy, oh boy, do I like that idea. I never seen that before either. That's cool. So this little Land Rover, this Barbie's saying this one might actually be her favorite. This is a beauty. So nice. They got the nice seats. Yeah, what a beauty. It's the front. I think it's the front of these that make it. Look at that. That's cool. You got your spare tire. Yeah, real cool. All right. Okay, now check this out. You guys notice that? They painted the rust marks on their little die cast. That's cool. This little fella here, it's like if murder was a car. We got the saw blades. We got the saw blades. Got some axes. Pretty cool little rat rod. Starting to get a little hungry. Feel like some Dominoes. This car has a real nice look to it. You got the patina. I love the patina. A fella sent me a post once. Said nice paint causes stress, and I truly do believe that. I get stressed. You have something as beautiful as this truck next to it, and then you're worried. But this is a real gorgeous truck. This one's real nice. This cab over is also awesome. Let's show you guys here. That's semi-retired. Ow. Yeah, this baby's real cool. See if I can get back here. Yeah, I like that. I do like a cab over. That's awesome. Just a beast. Here that Sandy is also semi-retired. That's fun. Got your old C30 here with your camper. That's a big camper. It's a monster camper. That's cool. Then you get the best of it, right? You get the camping style. You get the driving style. That's nice. Okay, everyone, you can see everyone's peeling out here. All the cars are leaving, show's over. I got the old tent rolled up, ready to rock. But yeah, let's get the heck out of here. Great turnout, great day. We're gonna see if we can get out of here and probably go for some supper or something. See you guys in a bit. Okay, everyone, we're on our way home here. It was all real good. We ended up doing just a couple of burnouts. Couldn't help myself. So when we drive by here, you got to go for a slide on the rocket slide. So we're going to do that quick, Barbie and I, and head home. The old truck's, like I said, I can tell just a little bit. It needs a bit of a tune-up. We'll do that soon. But the old stroker's just eating these mountain highways for breakfast. So having a blast, and it's great. It's great scenery, great fun driving around here. But yeah, like I said, it did good. We'll go for a rip down that slide, and then that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. All right, here we go.